I think the biggest mistake we make, and I do this too when I learn languages, is trying to be a professor. You feel like you have to explain the history of Ramadan perfectly.
Right. Instead of just saying, "Oh, I'm getting the house ready," we try to find these really big academic words, and then we get stuck.
Yeah. Or we worry about correcting people. If someone says, "Oh, so you're on a diet?" Some learners get so stressed trying to explain the word fasting perfectly.
I've seen that. You don't need to be perfect. If you just say, "No, it's for my religion. It's a special month," people get it. They see your smile. They see your energy. That's the real communication.
And the preparation part. Oh man, the stress of the kitchen. People worry about how to describe the food. You don't need to know the English word for every specific spice or traditional dish. Delicious works. Special soup works.
Actually, it's better to use simple words. It feels more human. When you use simple English, you can focus on the feeling of the month, not the grammar of the sentence.
Bob, you were telling me earlier about that time you tried to help your neighbor prepare for a big dinner, but it was in another language?
Yeah, it was honestly a bit awkward. I wanted to help, you know? I wanted to say, "I'll go to the shop and get everything you need." But I forgot the word for grocery store.
Oh no, what did you say?
I just stood there, pointing at my car and making a gesture like I was eating. I felt like a child. I was so embarrassed. I thought, I'm a grown man. Why can't I say shop?
But did they understand?
They did. They laughed. They handed me a list, and we had a great time. I realized later, they didn't care about my missing words. They cared that I wanted to help.
That's it! That's the secret. Like when you're preparing for Ramadan, maybe you're stocking up on dates or flour. If you tell an English friend, "I am buying many, many things," they don't think, "Oh, their English is A2. They think, "Oh, they're getting ready for something special."
I remember feeling so tired during the first few days of fasting once, and a friend asked if I was okay. I wanted to explain that my body was just adjusting, but I just said, "I am slow today."
I am slow today. I love that. It's so honest. It's better than a perfect sentence. It lets the other person in. It lets them see you're a bit tired but happy. If this sounds like you, if you've ever felt slow or stuck while trying to be yourself, hit that like button. It helps other people who feel shy find this safe space. You know, Bob, there's a specific feeling the night before Ramadan starts. It's not about the big party or the food. It's, I don't know, a quietness?
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. It's like the whole house is holding its breath. To be honest, that's actually my favorite part. You're sitting there, maybe having your last cup of coffee for a while, and you're just waiting.
Holding its breath. That's so beautiful. And I think for our listeners, that's when the English worry starts to creep in too. They think about the month ahead. They think, "Oh, I'm going to meet my colleagues," or "I have to explain why I'm not joining the lunch meeting."
Right. And you start practicing the sentences in your head, don't you? You think, okay, I will say, I am fasting because... No, wait, that sounds too formal.
Exactly. You're in bed, looking at the ceiling, trying to build the perfect English sentence for tomorrow. But listener, if you're doing that tonight, or whenever you're preparing, just stop. It's okay.
Actually, that's the thing. When you're in that quiet moment, instead of practicing grammar, just think about how you feel. Are you excited? Are you a little nervous? It's okay to be both. I remember one time, I was so nervous about getting up early for suhoor that I set 5 different alarms on my phone.
5 alarms, Bob? Really?
To be honest, yeah. I was so worried I would sleep through it. And I realized later, I was putting so much pressure on myself to be perfect on day 1. Perfect with my schedule, perfect with my work, perfect with my words.
We do that so much, don't we? We want day 1 to be a masterpiece. But maybe preparation is just about being messy? Maybe it's okay if you forget to buy the milk, or if you forget the word for dates when you're at the store.
It's definitely okay. The month is a journey. You don't have to arrive at the finish line before you even start.
I love that. You don't have to arrive before you start. So, if you're listening to this in bed, or while you're cleaning your kitchen getting ready, just let the English be a background noise for a bit. Don't try to catch every word. Just feel the connection.
Yeah, just be here with us. We're in that quiet house with you.
You said something cool earlier, Bob. You said you were stocking up. I love that phrase for Ramadan prep.
Yeah, I use that a lot. It's just, buying a lot of stuff so you don't have to go to the store later. Like stocking up on water or dates.
It sounds so natural. Instead of, I am buying many things, just, I'm stocking up. And you also mentioned getting ready.
Simple, right? I'm getting ready for the big meal. Or I'm getting ready for the guests. You don't need preparing all the time. Getting ready feels like you're talking to a friend.
And when you're talking about the first day, you said the body has to adjust.
To be honest, that's a great one. My body is adjusting. It's like getting used to the change. It's hard at first, but I'll adjust.
I also noticed you said, that's the thing, a few times. I love when you say that. It's like you're sharing a little secret with the listener.
I guess I do say that a lot. That's the thing. It just means here is the important part. It gives you a second to think before you say the main point.
So, if you're stocking up on food, getting ready for family, and your body is adjusting to the fast, just remember, that's the thing. You're doing it. You're living your life in English, and that's amazing. Before we go, I just want to say one thing. Ramadan is about many things, but it's also about patience.
It really is. Patience with yourself, mostly.
So, use that same patience for your English. If you're at a dinner and you can't find the word for blessing or tradition, just smile. Use your hands. Use simple words. The people who matter will stay to listen.
You aren't bad at English. You're just a human being having the human experience. And you're doing it in a second language. That's a superpower, actually.
It really is. You've got this. This Ramadan, Let the English flow however it wants. If it's broken, let it be broken. It's still you.
We're proud of you. Truly.
We'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you're doing to get ready this week? Tell us in the comments. We read them all.
Subscribe if you want to hang out with us again. It's always nice to have you here.
See you in the next one. Bye for now.
Take care. Bye.